All right, let's talk about job search sites. When you're looking for a job, one of the best places to start is with online search websites, job search websites. So these platforms list thousands of job openings across different industries and allow you to search based on keywords, based on location, based on salary or experience level. They offer tools to upload your resume, to set up job alerts, and to apply directly to employers. Now, there are some popular ones. I'm going to name a few from here. Some popular ones include Indeed, which is one of the largest job boards. Indeed pulls job postings from company websites, from staffing agencies, and other job boards. It also allows you to upload your resume and to apply for jobs directly. And you may be familiar with LinkedIn. More than just a networking site, LinkedIn has a job search feature where you can apply for positions, you can connect with recruiters and showcase your skills and experience. Now, many employers actively seek for candidates on LinkedIn. Now, there's also Glassdoor, and this site provides job postings along with company reviews, salary insights, and interview questions shared by employees, helping you, of course, understand potential employers much better. There's also Monster, one of the oldest job search sites. Monster offers job listings, career advice, and resume building tools as well. Now, you may be familiar with ZipRecruiter. So it uses AI-driven technology to match job seekers with employers and sends notifications when new opportunities arise that match your skills. So that might be another option for you. Also consider government job portals. Now, many countries have official job sites for public sector positions, such as USA Jobs for US federal jobs, or Job Bank for Canadian government roles. So these are just a few of the examples of job sites, and the best job search sites for you will depend on your industry, will depend on your location and the type of job that you're looking for. And of course, it will depend on your city and your country. Some industries have specialized job boards like Dice for Deck jobs, Media Bistro for media and marketing roles, or Workopolis for Canadian job seekers. It's always a great idea to explore multiple platforms to maximize your opportunities. Now, having said that, job search are a great tool, but they shouldn't be your only method for finding work. Many positions aren't posted publicly and are filled through networking and referrals. And that's why it's really important for you to combine online job searching with networking strategies to increase your chances of finding the right position. Now, in the next sections, we will explore how to use some of these platforms and tap into the hidden job market as well. We'll explore some popular sites that can help you in your job search. We'll take a closer look at Indeed and the Canadian Job Bank and LinkedIn as well. We know that these sites are widely used because they offer a large variety of job postings across different industries. And that also allows you to apply easily and with just, a few clicks. Now, like I mentioned, some of these job sites may not be available but don't worry, most job sites work in a very similar way. Whether it's a global platform like LinkedIn or a local job board specific to your area, they all seem to work the same way. So the key is to get familiar with how they work so that you can apply the same strategies no matter which site you're using.